Hello, everyone. I'd like to share with you a incredible application called Google Maps. And in order to get to Google Maps, you're just going to go here to the Google search page, or you could put HTTPS semicolon // www.google.com/maps, or you could just put it right here in the search browser, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put in Google Maps. And it pops right up. I'm going to click on Google Maps, and here we are. So we want to explore the Google Map interface first. You see, I can look up restaurants, hotels, things to do, museums, transit, pharmacies, ATMs. Right here, you can zoom out, you can zoom in. I can, explore over here, over there. I can look at the different layers here and view it by terrain, traffic, transit, biking, etc. So I can also search for and find specific locations. I'm going to go up here and put in the upper left-hand corner in the search bar, I'm going to put in Bayard Ruston High School, and then that's going to pinpoint that for me. It's right here. I can click on directions over here to the left, and it's going to give me directions. I can put in a starting point. I'm just going to say Rite Aid on Montgomery Avenue, and that gives me different directions to Ruston High School. So there's 3 different ways I can go. These are the times that it'll take. I can go by car, transit, walking. It tells me how long it'll take, bike. I can add a destination if I want to stop somewhere along the way, and I can send these directions to my phone or copy the link and send them to a friend if I'd like. So I can also, like I said, copy this link and share it. Also, another really cool feature is I'm going to zoom out of here, but I can take this guy right here and I can drop him anywhere on this map and it'll take me there, which is pretty fascinating. It's amazing. You can explore so much. This is the 360-degree images of streets and neighborhoods. So I can literally go here and see what's around. If I go to a specific address and I want to see like what stores nearby or what it looks like, totally doable. So now if I would like to save a specific location, I'm going to come back out of the street view and say that I'm right here at Bayard Ruston and I want to save this. I'm going to click the save. And I'm going to save it. Here's my different list, but I'm going to create a new list and I'm going to call it Where I Want to Go or Where to Go. We'll just do that and then create that. And we're going to put Ruston High School will be saved there. So that's how we do that. If I want to measure the distance between places. Say I want to know what the distance is between Bayard Ruston and Cheney. I would do this, right click on Ruston High School, go to measure distance, and then click on Cheney. And that gives me the distance right there. If I want to go somewhere else and see, let me see. If I want to go to, say, the golf course, that'll tell me how far from there. If I want to clear the measurement, I'll go here